General, there are several new laws going into effect starting November 1st, and one is targeting uninsured motorists. 2 News reporter Asia Vickers is live in downtown with more on what drivers need to know. Asia?
Well, Russ, police say starting next month, if you're caught driving without car insurance, not only will you get a ticket, but your car could be impounded as well.
If your car ends up on this truck, it's going to Story Wrecker, where all cars will be impounded. That's where Christy Capehart works. She says she'd like to see more uninsured motorists off the road. She was hit by one several years ago.
It was expensive. It was very frustrating.
Police say the scenario is all too common. Through September of this year, they've issued more than 6,000 citations for drivers not being insured. But now that they will soon have the option to tow drivers' cars away, officers hope to get more bad driving behavior off the streets. They hope drivers realize the stakes will be much higher.
You're thinking if you're driving around with, no insurance, now you're starting to think about, man, if I get stopped, my vehicle gets towed, I've got to pay impounding fee plus the ticket. So maybe really in the long run, you're better off if you go ahead and, get some insurance.
The first night at the impound cost $150 on average, and every day after, storage fees range between $15 to $25. Any law enforcement agency that is equipped to stop vehicles can enforce the new law. All they do is type your tag number into the state's new insurance verification system, which can be accessed from their patrol cars. As someone who sees cars get impounded all the time, Capehart offers one piece of advice.
Be careful. Be insured, and hopefully you won't wind up down here.
Now, if your car is towed, you will need to show proof of insurance to get it back. You will also need to show title or registration and your ID. Live in downtown, Asia Vickers, 2 News works for you.
Tomorrow morning, work will begin on the west